Hello, Elle here from EVERBEE London with tips on how to rehydrate and use coco coir. This one shown is from Wilko, but the same method can be applied to most if not all coir blocks. Wilko's version suggests using its included grow bag and simply pouring on 16 litres of water. This is great, especially if you plan to use all 40 litres at one time. Unfortunately, the bag, while surprisingly strong, is liable to tip over and spill the measured water all over the floor if you're not careful. My idea is to put the coir block in a large lidded plastic container. This one happens to be 80 litres capacity. Add the water as instructed. On cold days, I would suggest using warm to lukewarm water to help speed up the process. Something which I wouldn't advise for the bag method, as it could melt the bag. Leave for about 20 minutes and you should have 40 litres of freshly rehydrated coir compost. If there are still a few dry lumps, just break these up by hand. And if required, add up to a litre more water. You can add to your potting mix perlite, vermiculite, general purpose compost, etc. Using a large container allows me to easily mix the compost to my own specifications. The container also doubles as a safe and practical storage solution if I don't need to use up all the mix at once. And the bag? Well, that can be used as a tent to cover up seedlings.